So, good afternoon. At nandito si patient natin all the way from Apari hanggang Holo. Para nga yung kanilang team song ni Tito Vic and Joey yun, no? Itbulaga. Tama, no? Pero he traveled 14 hours just to be here for his removal of sutures. So ngayon, he underwent deep plane facelift, temporal lift, lip reduction, and an upper blepharoplasty surgery. You could already see the fox eye. Tinaas ko yan, no, on both sides. Pero anong evident? Pinaka-evident. Look at this. The jowls disappear immediately. Look at the deep nasolabial line. Wala na. Zero. Look at the nasojugal line and the eye bags. Zero. And we didn't even touch the eye bags yet. We just pulled the skin upwards and yan na ang kinakalabasan. Yes. Okay. So, this is the best gauge on what we perform on you is the pre-op and post-op photography. Pag makikita mo, pag magaganyan mo, mahigpit na mahigpit yan. Iba talaga pag deep plane. So, you'll appreciate that.